Hello, good morning. I'm feeling a little bit sick again. Not that I ever really went away, but I'm feeling it more so than I have been the past few days. But I'm gonna wrap my gifts. So I got, if you watched yesterday's vlog, I got my bluey wrapping paper. I have my mom's gift and my dad's gift. I still have to figure out what I'm getting my sister, but I'm gonna wrap these. I have them. Well, let me show you. My mom knows what I got her because she chose them. And it's like some Skechers shoes. She has like the same pair, potentially in a different color, I think. And then my dad told me a while ago that he wanted like storage for a lot of these little like not even tools, it's like the little pieces for different things that we have, that it's all kind of mixed in with his tools. And he was like, oh, they're all over the place, and he has this little like one little container. So I got him this. It has like different little storage for yeah, different pieces, tools and accessories. All right, let's wrap it. They're wrapped and time to go under the tree. I did forget I have to put the name tags on them. I can't find any of the gift tags. I think we have some, so I'll have to ask my mom when she gets home. But that's 2 down. I'm gonna read. I didn't read yesterday. I don't have time. I'm gonna read yesterday's and today's, and then maybe we'll look for a gift to buy my sister. Okay, it's lunchtime. Mom left me this like rice mixture so I can make torrejas de arroz. So I just added the egg to it, to a portion of it, so I can make it for myself. But when I was looking through the fridge for the egg, I remember that I bought the puff pastry yesterday, so I can make my little dessert today. Because I think I should have everything now for that. Hello friends. Okay, so I ended up not making the danishes because I'm gonna make them tomorrow. So they'll be ready for Wednesday, which is my parents' anniversary and my sister's half birthday. So I also have to get ingredients to make them lunch on Wednesday. So I'll do that tomorrow. I just found out that Bel-Air, the last season is already streaming, or like some of the episodes, apparently in like November, and I didn't even realize. I completely forgot about that show, but I loved it, so gotta go watch those episodes. I did some work we have our last meeting before our break for the team that I work with. So I'm making some like feedback forms, because I think we're just gonna discuss like feedback for the semester at Thursday's meeting. But yes. Oh, I'm gonna get tickets to, my sister has an a cappella group that she's been in that for like years. They're doing a Christmas concert or like a winter concert this Saturday, and I've been meaning to buy the tickets for like ever now, so I have to buy the tickets today. I'm gonna do that right now. Update. ordered my sister's gift, something from her list, but also decided to do another thing that I wanted to do before. So Blair, if you're watching this, skip forward. But I had seen this like Snoopy plush. She loves Snoopy. Snoopy plush with like the kind of, that has like a heartbeat type of thing. And I was like, oh, that could be fun, because she used to have like a dog toy that did that. But when I looked it up, there's none like in the US. And the ones I saw that would ship it, like I think it would just take too long and it'd be difficult to get it, and I don't know if like the senders were like safe to order from. So I was like, what if I do it myself? And I like to think that I can do anything, and I love a little project. So I ordered like a Snoopy plush, a little heartbeat thing, which I think is meant for like dogs who have anxiety, but it should work. And then like Velcro kind of strips, so it can be opened up again, because you're gonna have to replace the batteries. I'm gonna see how that works. If anything, I can hopefully just sew it back up and it'll just be a Snoopy toy if the thing doesn't work out. But I ordered those, and then I was gonna watch Bel-Air, and I like click on the first episode for season 4, and I was like, none of this seems familiar. And I was like, I guess it just has been a minute, but I was like, no, like there's literally like a person. I was like, I've never seen this person before. And so now I'm thinking that I completely missed season 3 as well, which apparently came out in 2024, and I'm thinking about it. I'm like, I don't know that I watched it in 2024. Yeah, I feel like it's been a couple years. That's why I was surprised when it was like, oh, new season. I don't know. So I'm gonna start watching for season 3 and see if something sparks a memory. I will see you tomorrow. I think this was a really short vlog, but hopefully tomorrow will be more interesting. Bye.